Honda CBR. This has got a very good mileage, that is about 40 to 45 kilometer per liter. No doubt that it's an everyday practical sports bike. This bike is extremely comfortable for both the rider and the pillion. Its engine is pretty good. Overall, this is a very good, nice bike. The performance is awesome for 155cc category. It is underpowered in low end and decent in mid range and just a beast in top end, and there is not much pull from the engine below 5000 rpm. After 5k rpm the bike really pulls well, and when it becomes 7k rpm 7000 rpm it really becomes a beast. One of the sharpest handling bikes, the sub 200cc class. If you want to learn how to become a better rider, nothing is better tool than CBR 150. It comes with 16.9 bhp and 13.7 Nm torque. It uses LED front headlights. This bike is mated with a DOHC engine. This bike stands next track to the R15. It's a liquid cooled 4-valve engine. Excellent fuel economy. Very easy to maneuver in the city, and no heaviness in the handle or the steering.